what happens here, this was a clear request from a customer that had an event, and the customer asked us, well, okay, could you write a report from that event? And we said, of course, yes, we can, but there's some additional things that we can do. So here we go from a very practical case. There's an event. From that event, there will be customers presenting their case. So we'll write a few customer cases. But of course, before the event takes place, we want to promote the event as well. So you can see here, step 1 in yellow, that's what we'll do as well for the promotion part. Once we have written the customer cases, we'll also need to promote those. And that's step number 3, where we'll create a few blogs that go back to the customer cases, and those will be promoted as well through social media and video. And then again, of course, at the end, we'll have the optimization workshop. So you see, this is the way that we work, and it can be very practical, very operational on one hand. And with the previous example that we saw, that was very strategic. That's really going from top to bottom. Here, actually, we stay in the bottom part. It depends a little bit on what the customer wants, and I think that ties in with what Lieve just said about we are customer intimate, or at least we consider ourselves to be customer intimate. Depending on what the customer wants and needs, we'll fill in the framework that we have, the content marketing strategy. We'll fill that in along the lines of the specific needs of each customer.
And just to come back on the KPI definition, it doesn't have to be a KPI definition workshop in the beginning. It can be a blog, but we still measure afterwards, so we know what we do and what and who is the target audience, so we know what the result of our work is.